Hey guys, welcome to the video today. So the clip that I already recorded, the intro clip for this video, I accidentally deleted. So I'm recording another intro clip right now after the rest of the video is already done. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is an unboxing and overview of this glass food storage 24-piece set, containers plus lids, by this company FineDine. But before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions, and make sure that you read through all of the information and instructions and warnings that are on the box and inside of the box. Okay, so let's get to the rest of the video. So it does say airtight lock, glass food storage, hinged locking tabs. And it says here 100% leak proof, microwave and oven safe. And that's just for the glass containers, not for the lids or the rubber gaskets. And then it says freezer safe, stain proof, dishwasher safe. And right here it says thermal shock resistant. And right here it says freezer. And then there's an arrow right here. And then right here it says oven. And like I said earlier, the only thing that can go in the oven is the glass food containers. Do not put the plastic lids in the oven, and do not put the rubber gaskets in the oven. And then right here's an arrow. And then right here it says table. And you want to be careful that the glass food container has cooled down before you put it on a table. Or make sure to use something that is designed to put in between the table and the glass food container. And this box is heavy, so make sure to be careful when you are moving it around. Okay, and here is this side of the box, and right here it says glass thermal shock resistant, and then right here it says max temp, 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit. And then right here it says min temp, minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And then down here it says lead-free glass, BPA-free lid. And here is this side of the box. And here is this side of the box. It shows you the different container sizes right here. And here is this side of the box. It does say fragile, handle with care. Please contact us if there is any breakage of the commodity. And then it has an email address here. And here is this side of the box. Okay, so I'm going to open up the box now, and we'll take the food storage containers out and see what everything looks like. Okay, so we have the use and care instructions. Make sure to read through all of this information. So far, these are really nice looking to me. I think that these are really nice looking, so I'm excited to have this set. This one has a smaller container inside. Okay, so we're going to take a closer look at the glass food storage containers here and everything. But before we do, let me clean up the mess here. And with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can and dispose of the rest properly. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll be back and I'll give you guys a closer look at the glass food storage containers. Okay, and I just wanted to show you guys this. This was on the inside of the lid of the box. Okay, and I'm just going to take, they have like a plastic, you know, covering the lids, and if I open the lid up, there's one underneath as well. So I'm just going to do that on each of the containers. And then make sure to throw this stuff away properly. So I'm going to finish doing that now, and then I'll be back and we'll go from there. And when I took off the lid of this storage container, there was another one inside. And then they had this piece at the bottom to protect this glass container and the bottom of this glass container. So I'm going to continue taking all the plastic off, all the storage containers, and then also removing this from the storage containers that have a smaller storage container inside of them. And then I'll be back and we'll go from there. Okay guys, make sure to read through the use and care instructions before you use any of the food storage containers. Okay, so I took all of the plastic and I think it's like styrofoam pieces out of the ones that had it, and I disposed of all of that properly, and here are the storage containers. You also want to make sure to inspect everything to make sure that nothing is damaged and that nothing is missing. And I'm going to show this one as an example. But before I do, you want to be careful too, because there are a lot of pinch points. So you want to be careful not to pinch your fingers. So there are these tabs here that are in the locked position, and I'm just going to lift up on those to unlock them. And then I can gently remove the lid. So I'm just going to set the lid down gently here. So here is one of the glass food containers. And I'm going to set the glass food container down. And then here is one of the plastic lids. And the plastic lid does have the rubber gasket already installed. So to put the plastic lid back on the glass container, I'm just, lifting the tabs out of the way and then lining up the plastic lid with the glass container. And then I'm just going to lock all of the tabs into place. And Let me get you guys a closer look at the different food storage containers here. And then I'll also show you one more time, like more up close though, of taking off one of the lids and then putting the lid back on one of the glass storage containers. So, okay, let me get you guys a closer look at all of the different food storage containers. Okay, so here are the food storage containers, and I like that there are a lot of different sizes. And here, like this one here, these two, these are the same size, so I got two of these. And then these two are the same size, I got two of these. And then these two are the same size, I got two of these. And then here are the other food storage containers. Okay, I'm going to take this lid off of this storage container. And when you do this, you want to be careful because there are a lot of pinch points. I'm just going to gently lift up each of the tabs until they unlock. And then I'm going to move them into this position. And I'm just going to do that on each of the tabs. And now I'm going to gently remove the lid from the storage container, and I'm just going to set the lid down. So here is the glass storage container. And here is the plastic lid. And then this is the rubber gasket. So the glass storage container is the only thing that can go in the oven or the microwave. You do not want to put the plastic lid or the rubber gasket into the oven or the microwave. Just going to set the plastic lid and rubber gasket back down. Okay, and the rubber gasket can be removed from the bottom of the lid. That way you can clean the rubber gasket properly and clean the bottom of the lid properly. And when you remove the rubber gasket from the bottom of the lid, you want to make sure that you're careful because there are pinch points. And when you install the rubber gasket onto the bottom of the lid, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. Okay, I'm just going to gently lift up on the rubber gasket so I can remove it from the bottom of the lid. And I'm just gently lifting up on it. Okay, so here is the rubber gasket. And now I'm going to install the rubber gasket onto the bottom of the lid. And when you do this, you want to make sure that the rubber gasket is seated into place properly. Okay, now I'm just going to go around the rubber gasket and just make sure that it's secured into place properly. And once the rubber gasket is installed onto the bottom of the lid properly, you can put the lid onto the glass food container when you're ready to do so. Okay, and when you're ready to put the lid back onto the glass food container, you want to make sure that the glass food container is cooled all the way down if it was hot. And then I'm just going to take the plastic lid and line it up with the glass food container. And you want to make sure that it is lined up properly. And then I'm going to lock each of the tabs into place. And you want to make sure each of the tabs is locked into place correctly. And that the lid is secured into place. All right, guys, I'm excited to start using this glass food storage set. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. And like I said earlier, make sure that you read through the use and care instructions before you use any of this. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.